Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting the images and the document you want to share into a single folder so nothing gets lost. Once done, decide why you need sharing, collaboration, backup, or distribution. Then pick a platform that fits that purpose. Make sure to check file sizes and format compatibility, and compress or convert files if needed. Now open the chosen service and create a new share or upload. This first action moves you from planning into executing the transfer. Once your files are uploaded, focus on access and control. Set permissions so recipients can view, comment, or edit as required. Make sure to use expiration dates or download limits if privacy matters, and apply passwords for sensitive material. Add recipients directly by email or phone, or generate a shareable link with the correct settings. Copy it. After that, attach a clear message explaining the contents and any action you want them to take. This reduces confusion and speeds response. You finish by sending the link or invites, and then immediately verify that recipients can open the files. Make sure to test access yourself on another device or using an incognito window so permissions behave as recipients will see them. If edits or comments are expected, confirm that those features are enabled. Finally, document the shared link and expiration so you can remove access later. If anything goes wrong, check permissions, file paths, and network or URL blockers first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.